Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox preview in the channel. Today I'll be bringing the Tamiya 1x48 scale North American F-51D Mustang from the Korean War. Something like that. This is an inbox preview. This is for a build-off for Kent Models group, where we're gonna build this till the end of April, and let's hope we can get a good result. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. Plastic bags, which the camera doesn't like, funny enough. Let's move them out, and instructions. So, what can we say from Tamiya? Tamiya is a shake and bake kind of model. Instructions, fairly simple to follow, fairly easy. There's not much we can say. Much has been said about Tamiya, so you guys know it's the standard quality from them. I think the big question is going to be about the plastic, because instructions, they are all the same. They are very, very good to build and very, very easy to follow. We're going to be building the shark mouth scheme. I think that's on the silver with these red teeth is gonna go a treat. So let's see how the plastic looks. We have a nice tips sheet here, like Tamiya Tech Tips. That's really good, and I'm glad to see this and see that Airfix is doing this as well on their new model, so it's good. So let's grab the clear parts. So in this bags out of the way, we have two little pieces for the propeller, I'm assuming. The clear parts, which look absolutely fantastic, nice and clear, no problems at all. And one little decal for the cockpit, for the instrument panel. I always get this wrong. I don't know why, but I always get this wrong. Following, we have another bag. Let's open it. And on this bag, we have two sprues. So we have the propellers, the bombs, the propeller nose, and again, what can we say? Tamiya quality. There's a little bit of flash, but is expected on this model, on the propeller, so it's good. The amount of detail on the cockpit, fairly reasonable. We have loads to pick up on here, so looks good. We have the drop tanks, wheels, and again, minimal amount of flash. Panel lines, nice and clear. Well, I wouldn't like to say clear, but that's the only word that comes out, so let's go with that. They're not too deep, they're not too pronounced, so they are good to go. On the last bag, we have, let's have a look. Right, we have a pilot. So are we actually going to build this one with a pilot? I might do that. Someone has dropped me a comment on my last video that a pilot would be appreciated. So we might paint this one and might put it inside. We have the canopy frame on this one as well, so it looks good. Then we have the wings. Again, amazing amount of detail, as you guys can see. Rivets here, the exhausts, the lower part of the wings, and again, there's not much to say. It's Tamiya. It's good. It's gonna be fun to compare, because I've done the Edward 1/48 scale P51. I've done the 1/72 from Airfix P51, and now doing this F51 from Tamiya. So it's gonna be nice to compare how they build and how they come together. I know that comparing the Airfix 1/72 is not fair, but with the amount of engineering that the Airfix have, I think we are safe to say that we are in good hands. So, recapping, we have 1, 2, 3, and what is the other one? And just 3, 4. We have 4 sprues, yeah. We have the rubber parts for the propellers. We have 1 sheet of decals, as you guys can see. And we have some amazing clear parts. All in all, I think is great value for the money. And I hope that we can build a great airplane from this. So if you guys want to see it, the video will come out soon, as I have to finish this before the end of April, and I'll be video building this one. So stay tuned. If you want, click on subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you all around. Thank you ever so much. See you next time.